Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing well at our homes. I am K. Indira Rani, CRT English, Balliparu, Krishna district. Children, today's our topic is articles. We will learn about articles in this session. Read the following sentences. Raman was a brilliant student. It was an excellent news. Raman received the Nobel Prize. Children, did you notice the underlined words a and the are called articles? What are articles? Articles are used before nouns and functions as adjectives. These are used in specific or general purpose. Children, types of articles. There are two types of articles. Definite article, indefinite article. The is called definite article. It points out particular object. Example, the book, the table, the chair. Indefinite article, a, an are called indefinite article. They don't point out particular object or person. For example, a pen, a book, a table, a chair. Let us see the example. Children, look at the picture. There are 5 bananas. In definite article, example, I want to eat the banana, which is at the first position from the group of banana. Here, I want to eat the first banana. It points out the particular object. Indefinite article, I want to eat a banana from the group of banana. It means I want to eat any banana out of the 5 bananas. It doesn't refer specific. It refers general purpose. When do you use a or an? How many alphabets we have? We have 26 alphabets A to Z. Out of these 26 letters, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. Before vowel sound, an is used. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. The rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. Before consonant sounds, A is used. A boy, a car, a bag, a pen, a book. Children, remember, before vowel sound, an is used. Before consonant sound, A is used. Let us see the rules for A. A is used before singular common nouns and beginning with consonant sounds. Singular means single or one, means a pen, a book. Common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a name. It refers any person, place, thing or animal. It points out specific. Children, common noun is a name. It refers any person, place, thing or animal. It refers as whole class. Example, a pen, a book, a car. There are many pens, red pen, blue pen or black pen. Here it mentions pen, a book, a car. A pen is a singular common noun. A book, a car. The words beginning with consonant sound. A is used before singular common nouns and beginning with consonant sounds. A is used before a word beginning with vowel but sounding like a consonant. A European. Here E is a vowel letter but pronounced as consonant sound. European. Another example. 1 rupee coin. O is a vowel letter but pronounced as consonant sound. A 1 rupee coin. Children, remember, A is used before beginning with vowel letters but it is a vowel letter but pronounced as a consonant sound. Now let us see the rules for an. An is used before singular common nouns beginning with vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Beginning with consonant sound. Before a word beginning consonant but having a vowel sound. Example, hour. Here H is a consonant letter but it pronounced as hour. Here H is silent. That's why an is used before consonant letter. And honest man. Here also H is a consonant sound but it pronounced as vowel sound. Honest man and honest man. Before we go to the definite article, let us see the pronunciation of the. Before vowel sound, it is pronounced as the, not the. The American, the apple, the onion. Before consonant sound, it pronounced as the big apple, the round table, the supermarket. Children, remember, before vowel sound, it is pronounced as the. Before consonant sound, it is pronounced the. Let us see the rules for the. Before a word denoting a particular person or thing. They went to the movie. Call the boy. Bring the book. Here it refers a particular person. The movie. They went to the movie. Call the boy. There are many boys, but here it refers the particular boy. The refers a particular person or thing. Before the name of holy books. The Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. She reads the Bible every day. Before holy books, we should use the. Before unique things. The sun, the moon, the sky. Example, the sun rises in the east. Before the musical instrument names: the violin, the guitar. She plays the violin very well. Before superlative degree. What is a superlative degree? Here example, Rani is the cleverest girl in the class. Here cleverest, est. If the word ends with est, it is a superlative degree form. Example, tallest, biggest, smallest. We can remember est. Before superlative form, the is used. Rani is the cleverest girl in the class. Before names of inventions, discoveries and awards. C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect. Here, what was the discovery? Raman effect. Before discoveries, the is used. Let us see the second one. Who invented the microscope? Here, microscope is the invention. Before microscope, the article is used. It is used before rivers, mountain ranges, oceans, canals, seas, gulfs. Example, the Krishna River, the Himalayas, the Hindu Ocean, the Panama Canal, the Arabian Sea. Children, open page number 30. Let us see the textual examples. Now, fill in the blanks with a and the. In 1987, M.S. Swaminathan was awarded dash Raman Magsaysay Award. Remember children, before awards, the article is used. The answer is the. We dined yesterday at dash Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Let us see the third one. Tejaswini lent me dash interesting book. Children, what are the answers for second and third? We dined yesterday at the Maurya Sheraton Hotel. It's a particular place. The is used before particular place. The Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Tejaswini lent me. Interesting. Here the word I is a vowel letter. An is used before vowel letter. An interesting book. Second answer is the Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Third answer is an interesting book. My father is dash school teacher. M.S. Swaminathan worked at dash Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Children, guess the answers. My father is a school teacher. M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agriculture Research Institute. It was a particular place. The is used. My father is a school teacher. There are many schools, but here it refers in general purpose. He is a school teacher. Here my father is a school teacher. Rekha bought dash long notebook yesterday. Shravani is eating dash mango now. Here, what are the answers, children? A long notebook yesterday. Eating a mango now. Ganesh always carries dash umbrella with him. Children remember, U is a vowel sound. Before vowel letter an is used. The answer is an umbrella. Rekha bought a long notebook. Shravani eating a mango now. It refers general purpose. Ramu is dash English teacher in a high school. Children, see the 10th one. Manjula and Shruti play dash guitar well. Here, guitar is a musical instrument. Before musical instrument, the is used. The guitar. Rambabu is an English teacher. Here, E is a vowel letter. Before vowel letters, an is used. An English teacher. Children, I repeat the rules for the. The is used before particular places and things. Before holy books. Before unique things. Before rivers, oceans. Before discoveries, inventions and awards. Before musical instrument names. Children, remember the rules and practice the textual articles at home. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.